Assume for a moment that you have the power to shape your reality simply through the way you think. This isn't just a fantasy but a profound truth that can transform your financial situation. At the heart of this truth lies the law of attraction, a principle that suggests our thoughts and feelings have the power to attract experiences and outcomes into our lives. This principle, while simple, is incredibly powerful, and when combined with new thought techniques, it offers a roadmap to manifesting wealth and abundance. The essence of the law of attraction is that like attracts like. This means that the energy you emit through your thoughts and emotions will attract similar energy from the universe. To put it simply, if you focus on abundance and prosperity, you align yourself with those very energies, drawing them into your life. This isn't merely about wishing or hoping for a better financial situation. It's about deeply understanding and applying this principle to create tangible results. The journey towards financial prosperity begins with understanding that money is a form of energy. Just as with any other type of energy, the more positive and focused your thoughts about money are, the more you invite it into your life. Start by examining your beliefs about money. Are they positive and empowering, or do they reflect scarcity and limitation? It's essential to recognize that any negative beliefs you hold can act as barriers to attracting wealth. Transform these beliefs by affirming that money is a natural and welcome part of your life. See it as a tool that allows you to experience and enjoy life more fully. Visualization is a powerful technique in the New Thought arsenal. Picture yourself living the life of your dreams, where financial abundance is a natural part of your reality. Close your eyes and imagine every detail of this prosperous life. Feel the emotions associated with this vision: joy, satisfaction, and gratitude. This practice helps to align your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to create. By consistently focusing on this mental image, you begin to rewire your thought patterns, which in turn influences your actions and decisions in the real world. Affirmations are another crucial element in manifesting wealth. These are positive statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to attract money. Create affirmations that resonate with you personally. Instead of vague statements like, "I am rich," use specific and emotionally charged affirmations such as, "I am a magnet for wealth and abundance, and I joyfully receive financial opportunities every day." Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in a state of relaxation or meditation, to embed them deeply into your subconscious mind. Another key aspect is the practice of gratitude. Being thankful for what you already have sets a positive vibration that attracts more of what you desire. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the financial blessings you currently enjoy, no matter how small. This act of gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, enhancing your ability to attract additional wealth. Keep a gratitude journal where you jot down all the financial blessings and opportunities that come your way. This simple practice can profoundly shift your mindset and energy. It's also important to act as if you already have what you desire. This means behaving in a way that aligns with your vision of abundance. For instance, if you're aspiring to be financially successful, start making decisions and taking actions that reflect this success. This might involve investing in yourself through education or training, or making thoughtful financial decisions that reflect your desired level of prosperity. Acting as if helps to bridge the gap between your current reality and the one you wish to create, making the transition smoother and more natural. Moreover, the power of intention cannot be overstated. Set clear, specific goals regarding your financial aspirations. When your intentions are precise, your efforts become more focused and effective. Instead of vague goals like, "I want to be rich," specify the exact amount of wealth you wish to attract and the means by which you will achieve it. This clarity allows you to direct your energy and actions towards manifesting these goals with greater precision. Surround yourself with positivity and supportive influences. Your environment and the people you associate with can significantly impact your financial outcomes. Engage with individuals who uplift and inspire you, and seek out environments that foster growth and success. Positive influences reinforce your own beliefs and efforts, creating a nurturing space for your financial goals to flourish. One final but crucial point is to trust in the process. The law of attraction works in its own time and in its own way. It's important to maintain faith and patience, even when immediate results are not visible. Trust that the universe is aligning circumstances in your favor and that your efforts are paving the way for the manifestation of your desires. This trust and patience are essential in maintaining a positive and receptive mindset, which is crucial for attracting and manifesting wealth. In essence, the journey to financial abundance through the law of attraction involves aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the energy of prosperity. By adopting a mindset of abundance, practicing visualization and affirmations, expressing gratitude, acting as if, setting clear intentions, surrounding yourself with positivity, and trusting the process, you create a powerful magnet for financial success. This is not merely a theoretical exercise but a practical approach that, when consistently applied, can bring about real and lasting financial transformation. To truly harness the power of these techniques, it's essential to stay committed and persistent. Financial prosperity is not a destination but a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery. Think of this journey with enthusiasm and openness, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to the financial abundance you seek. As you move forward, reminder that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. By maintaining a positive focus on wealth and abundance, you invite more of these energies into your life. Let the law of attraction guide you, and trust that you are capable of creating the financial success you desire. Your financial future is bright and full of potential, just waiting for you to realize it. To further deepen your understanding of how the law of attraction can be utilized to manifest financial abundance, let's explore the concept of alignment between your internal state and external circumstances. Financial success is not just about external actions but also about harmonizing your inner beliefs with the reality you wish to create. This alignment is crucial because it ensures that your thoughts, feelings, and actions are working together towards the same goal. One effective way to achieve this alignment is through the practice of self-awareness. Take time each day to reflect on your thoughts and emotions regarding money. Are there any lingering doubts or fears that might be undermining your financial goals? Identifying and addressing these inner conflicts is essential. For instance, if you notice recurring thoughts of inadequacy or fear of failure, acknowledge them without judgment and gently replace them with affirmations of confidence and capability. This practice helps to recalibrate your internal state to one of abundance and possibility. Another powerful technique is to engage in creative visualization with a focus on the sensory experience. When you visualize your financial goals, immerse yourself fully in the experience. Imagine not just the end result but the entire process of achieving it. Feel the excitement of receiving a financial windfall, the satisfaction of completing a successful project, or the relief of overcoming financial challenges. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the stronger the energetic pull you create towards those experiences. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine is another method to enhance alignment. Beyond simply acknowledging what you have, engage in a practice of active appreciation for the ways in which financial abundance is already manifesting in your life. This could include recognizing the value of your skills, the opportunities that come your way, or even the support from those around you. By consistently focusing on what you are grateful for, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, creating a more powerful magnetic field for attracting additional prosperity. It's also beneficial to integrate the practice of mindfulness into your financial journey. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused, reducing stress and anxiety related to financial matters. By approaching your financial goals with a calm and clear mind, you make more informed decisions and act with greater clarity. This mindful approach not only enhances your ability to attract wealth but also improves your overall financial management. Another dimension to explore is the importance of taking inspired action. While thoughts and feelings play a crucial role in attracting financial abundance, they must be complemented by actionable steps. Listen to your intuition and act on opportunities that align with your goals. For example, if an idea or opportunity arises that resonates with your vision of financial success, pursue it with enthusiasm. Inspired action often leads to unforeseen opportunities and connections that can significantly impact your financial trajectory. As you continue to practice these techniques, remember that the journey to financial abundance is a dynamic process. It requires ongoing reflection, adjustment, and commitment. Stay open to learning and adapting as you discover what works best for you. Your ability to manifest wealth is closely tied to your willingness to grow and evolve in alignment with your financial goals. By focusing on alignment, self-awareness, gratitude, mindfulness, inspired action, and generosity, you create a holistic approach to harnessing the power of the law of attraction. This comprehensive practice not only attracts financial abundance but also cultivates a deeper sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. As you integrate these principles into your daily life, you'll find that wealth and prosperity naturally flow towards you, creating a more enriched and abundant reality. To conclude, if you found this exploration of the law of attraction and new thought techniques enlightening, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us to continue providing valuable insights and practical advice. By subscribing, you ensure you won't miss out on future content that can help you manifest your dreams. So, if you enjoyed this content, please like the video and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and practical content designed to help you achieve your goals. We're here to support your journey and look forward to continuing this exploration with you. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon on our channel.